pour in for popular award-winning Nollywood actress Mercy Aigbe as she loses her Lagos home to fire outbreak. Mercy, who is well known for her roles in Yoruba movies and her elegant fashion sense, shared the news on her Instagram page on the 4th of December 2024. The actress shared a heart-wrenching video of the aftermath of her home ravaged by a fire outbreak. In the video she posted, Mercy shows fans part of the destruction caused by the inferno, while expressing gratitude that no lives were lost in the incident. Devastated, thank God no life was lost. It is well, she wrote. Accompanied by visuals of the aftermath, she affirmed her unwavering faith to overcome the adversity. Meanwhile, sources revealed that the disaster might have been avoidable, intensifying the emotional blow to Aigbe. Punch Online, however, reports that official announcements have yet to be made by concerned authorities about the cause of the incident. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.